Your RV is made. What is this brown rubber trim in between your cabinets and your flooring in your RV? And do you have to remove it when you're remodeling? Or can you just paint over it? The answer is yes and no to both. This is the type of trim that I am talking about. You see this one right here? It's actually rubber. And it goes all around the edges of your RV. And when I say all over your RV, I mean like every single edging. But first, let's talk about what it's there for. Number one, it's to seal off all the edges so there's not any huge gaps. But it also has purpose. Without this trimming, all of the wood in your RV and the flooring would rub up against each other and it would creak and it would start to wear down. So you need this in between all of the gaps to cushion it. But it's so ugly, I want to get rid of it. If you're remodeling your RV, you can paint right over it. And then you won't even notice it's there. Just make sure you're using a really good bonding primer. And then you can paint over it like I did behind me. You can't even tell, look. But there are some places where I remove it. In this trailer, the trim is also on the floor to help cushion the cabinets. And I'm removing the edges so that my new flooring will be flush against the wall. But don't worry, the edges of the flooring will be replaced with new baseboards. But how do you get rid of the old rubber trim? With this. But I'm just cutting off the edges so there's still rubberized trim underneath the cabinet so it still acts as a cushion during transport. Just cut the edge on the top and it slices and separates from the rest of the trimming, which is underneath the cabinet. Also the bottom to help separate it. You're left with this rubber piece, just the edging right there. But you still have the rest of the rubber trim underneath, like I said, to help with the cushion. If you need to replace this in your RV and you're looking for the name of it online, it's called RV Bead Welt Trim. And you can find it in a couple different colors.